Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications on the application of Threads. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Threads. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Threads. Here we'll uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.